Nikola Tesla and his discovery of radiant energy to produce power. The discovery of radiant energy in 1889, the energy in electromagnetic waves, and converting it into free electricity goes back to Nikola Tesla, a Serbian-American inventor and engineer, who was particularly interested in the utilization of electromagnetic waves and cosmic rays, from the stars, for energy. He researched this at length, but lack of funding eventually put paid to developing this concept into being able to provide free electricity for mankind, which is what he had hoped to achieve. Furthermore, he discovered that radiation from the sun and cosmic rays from other sources such as the stars had the capacity to charge electrical conductors, a free power source that could be converted into electricity. Tesla also recognized the fact that radiant energy, which is abundant and exists naturally, is the power source of the future. You can build a device similar to Tesla's designs to check out the technology to see if it actually works as per the steps below. Brief guide to build your own radiant energy device to generate power. Get an aluminum plate, or antenna, of any size. The larger the better, but small will still work, and ensure that it is polished and clean. Make sure that the plate is well insulated by covering it several times with some sort of insulating material. Suspend the plate as high as possible in order to maximize its exposure to the rays and radiation. This will allow for greater output as it harnesses energy from the atmosphere, after which it is transferred into a capacitor, which becomes charged with electricity. Connect an electrical cable to the plate to carry the current that is generated by the device to the capacitor. An oscillator or tank circuit needs to be connected to the capacitor in order to discharge it and transfer the electricity to a transformer, which will make the power available at a lower voltage that can be used to power household appliances. If you build one of these devices yourself, you'll see that the Tesla renewable energy generator does indeed work. However, its effectiveness will be dependent on various factors such as the quality and size of the metal plate or other antenna you use and how high it's suspended. While the voltage and intensity of the current produced will be proportionate to the size of the aluminum plate and the height of the installation, even a small plate that is not positioned very high should still generate a small amount of electrical current, which should be enough to illustrate the concept of using radiation as way to produce electrical energy. It should be noted, however, that the above plan is not really comprehensive enough for you to build a thoroughly robust and reliable electricity-producing device that could power your home, although you could experiment yourself until you come up with the perfect product that is powerful enough to produce usable power. Nikola Tesla's research and design has recently been developed and refined and has now been made available to the general public, which will allow any reasonably proficient handyman to build his own electricity-generating device which can be used to power appliances in the home. P.S. Find out exactly how you can use Nikola Tesla's discovery and plans to build your own practical electricity-generating device for your home. Or just go to the following link to find out how the Nikola Tesla device can be built at home to power your household.